Students, as the topic said Roman numbers, we will follow the topic first. What do you mean by Roman? What do you mean by numbers? As you have already studied about numbers, what you have studied about numbers? Students, what you have studied about numbers? You have studied about numbers that combination of digits is known as numbers or are known as numbers. And what you have studied about Roman? Roman is a script in which we will write letters or numbers. Roman is a script. When we combine these two words like Roman and numbers, we will get Roman number. It means that when the numbers are written in the Roman form, in Roman script, in mathematics, it is known as रोमन नंबर्स. जब नंबर्स हमारे रोमन स्क्रिप्ट में मैथमेटिक्स में लिखे जाते हैं तो इसे बोला गया रोमन नंबर्स. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय रोमन दिस? व्हेन द लेटर्स आर यूज्ड फॉर नंबर्स इन मैथमेटिक्स, then that letters that we are using for that number is known as Roman number. इसे समझने के लिए kindly look at the example first, that what I have written over here. For 1, I have used I. For 5, I have used V. For 10, I have used X. For 50, I have used L. For 100, I have used C. For 500, I have used D. For 1000, I have used M. So these are some letters that are used for the numbers in Roman numbers. ये कुछ ऐसे numbers हैं जिनको letter के form में हम लोग ऐसे लिख सकते हैं या रोमन फॉर्म में हम लोग इसे ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. सी, वी हैव यूज्ड, आई हैव यूज्ड 1 फॉर आई. 1 के लिए आई यूज हुआ है, 5 के लिए भी, 10 के लिए एक्स, 50 के लिए एल, 100 के लिए सी, 500 के लिए डी, 1000 के लिए एम. सो इतना आपको लिखना है पहले. यू हैव टू राइट डाउन इट फर्स्ट इन योर क्लास वर्क कॉपी टू अंडरस्टैंड मोर clearly or carefully. After that, I will tell you how to make Roman numbers. So class, I have taught you that how can we write 1 as I, how can we write 5 as B. So we will have to take only 1 and 5 to understand 2, 3, 4 to 10. So student, how can we write 2? By adding 1 plus 1. हम लोग 2 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं 1 plus 1 करके? And how can we write 1 in Roman? I. And for second one, how can we write? I. So I plus I, it makes double I. So for 2 we will use double I. How can we write 3 in Roman number? 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it means that I plus I is equal to 1, 2, 3, triple I. We will add these 3 I's with the single line. So how can we write 4 now? No student. So student, how can we write 4? No, we cannot write 4 as 1, 2, 3, 4 because it is inappropriate way to write 4. ये inappropriate way है, ये सही तरीका नहीं है 4 को लिखने का. So how can we write 4? That is 5 minus 1. So how can we write 5 in Roman? That is V. And how can we write 1? That is I. So here is the minus. It means that we have to which one is smaller? That is I1. I is smaller, so we have to follow I. So we have to add I to the last of the V, that is IB. It follows for 4. And 5 for V, 6 for 5 plus 1, that is 5 plus I. So we have to add this I at the front of the V, that is VI. VI is for 6. We will use VI as a Roman number for 6. How can we write 7 now? V double I. Now how can we write 8? That is V triple I. It means that 5 plus 3. So 5 for V plus 3 for 1, 2, 3 as I have taught you here. How can we write 3 in Roman number? That is 1, 2, 3. So I will so I have direct add 3 here. Now how can we write V and triple I? That is like this. And how can we write 9? No, we cannot write 9 with the help of 5, 3 or 4. We will write it here with the help of 10. Now we will follow that. How can we write 10 in Roman number? We will write 10 as x in Roman number. So we will follow this because 9 is because 9 is approaching to 10. 9 10 को approach कर रहा है. It means that it is nearest to 10. ये इसके नज़दीक है. So we will follow 10 not 5. 5 9 से बहुत स्टेप दूर है और 10 इसके नज़दीक है. So we will follow 9 like 10 minus 1. So we will use 10 for x minus 1 for I. So it is like I and x. So here is the 9 and for 10 we will write x. So here are the Roman numbers from 1 to 10. Now you are able to write down Roman numbers 1 up to 10. In my another class, in my next class, I will taught you about how to write Roman numbers up to 100. After that, I will tell you how to write Roman numbers up to 500 to 1000. So thank you so much class. Hopefully that you have enjoyed my class very well and write down each and everything in your classwork copy first, then to write in your homework copy. Thank you so much class.